Passage 1. The full moon that occurs near the equinox of the sun has become known as the harvest moon. It is a bright moon which allows farmers to work late into the night for several nights. They can work when the moon is at its brightest to bring in the fall harvest. The harvest moon, of course, occurs at different times of the year in the northern and southern hemispheres. In the northern hemispheres, the harvest moon occurs in September at the time of the autumnal equinox. In the southern hemispheres, the harvest moon occurs in March at the time of the vernal equinox. Dalam paragraf ini menjelaskan tentang bulan purnama yang terjadi paling dekat dengan titik balik matahari, dikenal sebagai bulan panen. Para petani bisa bekerja hingga larut malam ketika bulan cerah. Dan mereka bisa bekerja saat bulan paling terang untuk menghasilkan panen pada saat musim gugur. Bulan panen tentu saja terjadi pada waktu yang berbeda dalam satu tahun di bagian utara dan selatan. Di bagian utara, bulan panen terjadi pada bulan September saat musim gugur, dan di bagian selatan bulan panen terjadi pada bulan Maret pada saat titik balik musim semi. Pertanyaan nomor 1. The pronoun it in line 2 refers to. Kata ganti it pada paragraf 2 mengacu pada, jawabannya adalah C, the harvest moon. Karena sebelum kata it, dia ada kalimat menjelaskan tentang bulan panen atau harvest moon. Untuk nomor 2, look at the word they in the passage. Click on the word or phrase at they that they refers to. Paragraf tersebut mengacu pada farmer, petani.
Passage 2. Mardi Gras, which meant Fête Tuesday, in France was introduced to America by French colonists in the early 18th century. From that time, it has grown in popularity, particularly in New Orleans, and today it is actually a legal holiday in several southern states. The Mardi Gras celebration in New Orleans begins well before the actual Mardi Gras Day. Parades, parties, balls, and numerous festivities take place throughout the week before Mardi Gras Day. Tourists from various countries throughout the world flock to New Orleans for the celebration, where they take part in a week of non-stop activities before returning home for some much-needed rest. Number 3, the pronoun it in line 2 refers to. Nomor 3, soalnya itu kata ganti itu di baris 2 merujuk ke, jawabannya itu Mardi Gras. Karena di baris 2 itu merujuk ke kalimat Mardi Gras, which meant Fête Tuesday in France, was introduced to America by French colonists in the early 18th century. From that time, it has grown in popularity, particularly in New Orleans, and today it's actually a legal holiday in several southern states. Jadi dia di baris 2 merujuk ke kata benda atau merujuk ke orang. Jadi jawabannya Mardi Gras.
Number 4. Look at the word they in the passage. Click on the word or phrase that they refers to. Jadi soalnya ini menjelaskan lihatlah kata mereka di bagian passage di kalimat tersebut. Nah, klik pada kata atau frase yang mereka rujuk atau yang mereka tuju. Jawabannya itu turis. Karena di sini ada kalimat Mardi Gras Day, tourists from various countries throughout the world flock to New Orleans for the celebration. Jadi jawabannya itu turis.
Passage 3. The financial firm Dow Jones and Company compute this business statistic every hour on the hour of each of the business days of the year. And the statistics are known as the Dow Jones averages. They are based on a select group of stocks and bonds that are traded on the New York Stock Exchange. The Dow Jones averages are composed of 4 different types of averages. The average price of the common stock of 30 industrial firms. The average price of the common stock price of 20 transportation companies. The average price of the common stock price of 15 utility companies, and an overall average of all the 65 stock used to compute the first 3 averages. Probably the average that is the most commonly used is the industrial average. It is often used by an investor interested in checking the state of the stock market before making an investment in an industrial stock. Number 5. The pronoun they in line 3 refers to. Nah, jadinya artinya itu kata ganti mereka di baris ketiga merujuk kepada. Jawabannya adalah B, di statistik. Karena pada kalimat pertama itu menjelaskan the financial firm Dow Jones and Company compute this business statistic every hour on the hour of each of the business days of the year. And these statistics are known as the Dow Jones average. Nah, jadi kata day itu merujuk kepada the statistics. Number 6. Look at the word. It is the passage. Click on the word or phrase that it refers to. Nah, lihat di kalimatnya tersebut yang menunjukkan kata it itu merujuk kepada yang mana. Nah, di sini ada di kalimat 8 yaitu kalimatnya probably the average that is the most commonly used is the industrial average. It is, nah berarti it is-nya itu sebagai kata ganti industrial average. Persamaannya itu it itu sebagai industrial average. Berarti jawabannya yang industrial average.